Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to install Metamask on Google Chrome web browser. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to download or install Metamask on your Google Chrome, first open up your Google Chrome web browser. Once you've done that, in the web address bar type in Chrome Web Store and press enter. From the search results, go and pick on this Chrome Web Store option and give it a click. Once you do that, you'll open up your Chrome Web Store. In the search bar at the upper left-hand corner, type in Metamask and press enter. Click on the extension that says Metamask with this logo out here and click on the Add to Chrome button right next to the extension. In the pop-up, click on Add Extension. Wait for a few seconds. You'll be able to see your download progress at the bottom left-hand corner. Once it is completed, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Your Metamask wallet will automatically load on a new tab, as you can see it on my screen. Once it is completed, you'll be able to see this interface right here. Click on Get Started, and if this is your first time creating a wallet, click on Create a Wallet. If there is already a wallet, then import the wallet by clicking on Import Wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to load your wallet for Metamask. To pin your Metamask wallet in your extension tab, click on this extension button and click on Pin right next to Metamask. And there you have Metamask wallet displayed at the very top of the screen. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.